Adharam madhuram badanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram hridayam madhuram gamanam madhuram madhuradipatirakhilam madhuram Adharam madhuram badanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram hridayam madhuram gamanam madhuram madhuradipatirakhilam madhuram. Gauriya Goshtipati, Sri Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada Jagadguru told, the more we are going to get defeated from the lotus feet of beautiful Krishna Charan, lotus feet of Krishna Charan. Gauriya Goshtipati, Sri Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada Jagadguru told, the more we are going to get defeated from the beautiful lotus feet of Krishna Charan, the more we can feel attraction of this material world.
Gaudiya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada hat gesagt, desto mehr wir uns angezogen fühlen von die Füße von Krishna, desto weniger macht uns die Welt Probleme. Also wenn du wirklich Anziehung hast nur für Krishna, zu dem allanziehenden Krishna, ist der allanziehende Mittelpunkt für jeden. So wenn wir uns von ihm angezogen fühlen und all das andere, die Attraktionen in der Welt kann man dann ignorieren. So wenn wir auf die Art und Weise die heiligen Namen chanten, nachher können wir wirklich das Rasa Tattva verstehen. Solange wir keine Attraktion von Krishna als Namen finden, es ist kein Unterschied zwischen seinem Namen und seiner Swarup. So, er spricht über den transzendentalen Namen. Die Seele kann in Wirklichkeit in der konditionierten Auffassung nicht den heiligen Namen chanten. So, aber wenn der wirklich heilige Name auf unserer Zunge tanzen fängt, das ist dann ein grünes Signal.
Ananda means no other than Krishna. He is going to take resolution anyhow. My karma fall going to put me in any condition.
So, Ananya Bhakta, das sind die, aber wenn mir mein Karma, meine Frucht vom Karma in Schwierigkeiten bringt, doch ich werde das Krishna Bhajan nicht aufgeben. Ich werde nur das machen.
Raghunath Das was crying and speaking about Raghunath, about Sanatana Goswami. That there is no attraction.
Raghunath drückt sich auch so aus, wo er den Vers verfasst hat. Vairagya Yuk Bhakti Rasampradne, das Sanatana Goswami gesagt hat zu ihm, kost den Nektar, nimm, ich gebe dir den Nektar. Und ich wollte nicht, ich habe na gesagt, aber Sanatana hat gesagt, doch, nimm. Und dann hat er den Geschmack nicht mehr vergessen können. Von dem Zeitpunkt an.
Avoid, if you can ignore the attraction and repulsion which you are going to feel in this material world for any object or any man or woman, anything.
So, wenn wir in der Welt die ganze Attraktion verlieren, dann ist das ein gutes Zeichen. So, wir müssen für das keinen Aufwand machen, das passiert von allein, wenn man eben von Krishna angezogen ist. Das ist keine trockene Entsagung von der Welt.
In Harinam Prabhu, then and only then we can understand about Krishna Seva Rasa, all about Krishna Seva Rasa, everything we can realize. Not before that. It is not possible to understand Krishna Seva Rasa, everything not possible. Those are forcefully trying to understand Krishna Lila, Krishna, everything.
So die, was versuchen, da die Grenzen zu überschreiten, obwohl sie erst am Anfang sein, dann können sie ganz leicht runterfallen vom spirituellen Leben.
Yesterday also I was speaking, also when I was speaking, that when Krishna going to, even Krishna himself feel attraction for his, beautiful creature.
So gestern hat er schon davon gesprochen, dass er das angeschnitten, dass sich Krishna selber angezogen fühlt von seiner eigenen Schönheit. Das ist, warum er mit dem Vers angefangen hat. Adaram, Madaram, Madaram. So in die Vedas ist auch geschrieben, Madhu. Madhu ist ein Wort, ein Name für Bhagavan Sri Krishna.
Sivan Mahaprabhu wanted to know, it is one kind of lila. Mahaprabhu wanted to know about Krishna Tattva, Radha Tattva, Radha Sarup, Krishna Sarup from Sri Radha Mahasaya. Think of it. Is Supreme Lord, but still is going to make this kind of lila to hear all about in details about, Radha Tattva, Krishna Tattva, Radha Tattva, and conjugal love affair actually, Rasa Tattva, what is Ras, what kind of Tattva Ras is, all Mahaprabhu want to know from Radha. This is Lila. Really so, in Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran, we already can find one sloka. Actually, when Krishna, leaves this material world, then Uddhavji Maharaj was almost mad.
So wenn Krishna die Welt verlässt, dann ist Uddhav fast verrückt worden.
Repeatedly, before leaving this body, before leaving this material world, Uddhavji Maharaj repeatedly requesting Prabhu, I cannot live without you. Please you take me. Prabhu speaking, you love me, na? So it is your duty to carry out my order.
So der Krishna sagt zum Uddhav, es ist deine Aufgabe, meine Wünsche zu erfüllen. Ich will die in der Welt halten als mein Repräsentant.
Who, out of his own realization, can speak about my tattva? I like to keep you as acharya.
Du, weil du kannst aus deinen eigenen Realisationen über mein Tattva sprechen.
Then Uddhavji Maharaj going to meet with Vidurji Maharaj in the midway. When Uddhavji Maharaj going like, some sort of induction. He forget his body, related thing, nothing can become like ghost, moving around. And by chance meet with Vidurji Maharaj, it is a pre-arrangement by Supreme Lord.
So Uddhav ist dann verrückt geworden. Und er hat sich dann getroffen mit Vidura Maharaj.
Vidurji Maharaj started speaking because he requested to know about this. Uddhavji Maharaj started speaking, but he cannot speak because his voice is going to be choked up. His voice, and tears rolling down his cheeks. He cannot see anything, cannot speak anything, all body shaking.
So er hat Tränen in die Augen, kann nichts sehen. So, aber Vidura Maharaj hat ihn gefragt und deswegen muss er jetzt was sprechen. Vidura Maharaj hat da gesagt, oh, was für Magie ist hinter der Schönheit von Krishna. Krishna ist der höchste Herr. So Krishna ist derjenige, was alles weiß, in jedem Staubpartikel im Universum weiß, um was vor sich geht, in dem Universum, was, wo und wann passiert. So simultan weiß das Krishna alles, nicht, dass er das erst danach weiß, sondern zur selben Zeit, wo es passiert. So logische Interpretation, materielle Qualifikation, das hat alles keinen Wert.
Transcendental things cannot be known by the application of material mind, nothing. Uddhavji Maharaj crying and speaking in front of Vidurji Maharaj. What to speak? This Krishna sometimes asking me, Uddhav, there is a problem happens, what to do? Please advise me. I was a minister, Now I get puzzled. Now, Parapara Akhileshwar, Parabrahma, Parapara Akhileshwar, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, he is going to ask me, Uddhav, there is a problem. What should I do?
So der Krishna hat ihn gefragt, was alles weiß. Er hat nur um Ratschläge gefragt, um Führung gefragt. Und er ist in Tränen ausgebrochen. Das Lila, was Krishna da gehabt hat in der Welt. Wenn er sich an das Lila erinnert. Uddhav Maharaj sagt in Dwarka, im Palast, dort in der Gestaltsäule. Dort hat Krishna eines Tages seine eigene Gestalt gesehen. Seine Reflexion. Und er wollte sich selber umarmen.
Mayavalam darsayata vihitam Vismapanam sassaccha sauvagardhe Parampadam bhushana bhushanangam Janmartalilopaikam sajogam Mayavalam darsayata vihitam Vismapanam sassaccha sauvagardhe Parampadam bhushana bhushanangam. You cannot imagine. Janmartha lilopo ikam sujogam. Just like a human being. Krishna doing all lila. Everything. That is why the excellency of the lila, expressed. A Bhagavan doing everything in the form of something which is abnormal.
Das macht der Krishna in der Form als ein normaler Mensch.
Rasa Tattva we can feel when we see that Krishna is doing just like a human being, but doing such things, which is going to
so Krishna ist der höchste Herr, aber er handelt so wie ein Junge von der Welt. Janmartha Lila Loka.
Just like a human being. And it is really strange. All, samasto, saubhagyo, all is decoration of his body, everything.
So Krishnas Dekoration, Krishnas Ornamente auf seinem Körper.
Ornament, clothes, everything they have nothing to do with Krishna. Itself, any part of Krishna's body, even finger, and a toe, cheeks, anywhere.
Krishnas Hände, Finger, Wangen. So wenn du dich auf eins von den Dingen konzentrierst, dann kannst du dich nicht mehr bewegen, dann bist du wie erstarrt. Und du kannst nicht mehr dich wegbewegen von der Schönheit. Von nur einem Teil von Krishna. Ganz egal, wo du Krishna anschaust. Er weiß, dass das alles außerhalb unserem Gefühl ist, ohne direkte Realisation. Ohne dass du wirklich Kripa vom Guru und Vaishnava hast, dann kannst du das verstehen. Ansonsten ist das alles eine Theorie.
Those decoration, Krishna going to give honor to them. Not that they are going to, increase the beauty of, not that. There's ornament, clothes, and nothing to do. But Krishna going to give them honor. Bhushanam Bhushanangam. It is the Bhushan.
So Krishna selber ist das Ornament. Krishna ist das Ornament von den Ornamenten. Die Ornamente sind nicht die Dekoration für Krishna, sondern er selber ist das Ornament.
Vismapanam sassacha sauvagardhe parampadam bhushana bhushanangam. It's all strange. Nobody can explain any amount of philosophy, any amount of description. Even Sukadeva Goswami cannot say. He is speaking. But they say, we are just like bird, different kind of birds. They have their according to their capacity, they are flying in the sky. Not that all and each and every bird can fly up to the same level, altitude, not possible. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also speaking, Shukadeva Goswami, it's impossible, cannot. That's why you see, they are going to, those who are going to get the scope to watch the beauty of Krishna.
So diejenigen, die was die Schönheit von Krishna entdecken.
I pray to Krishna, I pray to Gauranga Nityananda all the time. Always I am praying to get direct realization.
So wir sollen ständig beten für direkte Realisationen.
I am not a lecturer. I cannot pass lecture. I like to feel by the mercy of Paramahansa Guru Bhakti Vinod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Prabhupada, Keshav Goswami. They give me. I want nothing from them.
So sagt, will nichts von denen. Hat nur das Gebet, dass das alles fühlen darf und erfahren darf.
Krishna and Krishna-related thing, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Mahapuran, etc., is the property of Paramahansa. It's the property of a Paramahansa. It is ordinary people, what they can do business.
So das Krishna-Tattva, das ist für Paramahamsas. Normale Leute, die machen ein Geschäft draus aus dem Bhagavatam.
Is Vaishnavanam Dhanam. In the glorification of Bhagavatam, there in Padma Puran, there is written, Srimad Bhagavatam Puranam Amalam Yad Vaishnavanam Dhanam. And in Srimad Bhagavad Gita Puran, directly inside Bhagavad Gita,
so den Vers findet man im Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam Puranam Amalam Yad Vaishnavanam Priyam Yasmin Paramahamsam Ekyam Kamalam Jnanam Param Gyate Yatra Jnana Viragya Bhakta Sahitam Naishkarimya Vivishkitam.
Tachennano Subhadano Vicharana Paro Bhakta Vimuchyat Naraha. How you can get free of this material culture? Already solution is there for long time. Speaking. Sadhu Sanghe Harinam. Sadhu Sanghe কৃষ্ণ নাম এই মাত্র চাই, সংসার জীবিতে আর কোনো বস্তু নাই। The only thing we want, but we cannot do this thing. We can do so many things. We are expert. We want to develop skill for singing, dancing, this, that, so many things. But we are less interested to develop skill in Krishna Bhakti.
So wir sind nicht interessiert, irgendwelche
We cannot so.
Dinge uns anzueignen, irgendwelche Skills, wie singen und tanzen und das.
That's why it is written that Sadhu Sangha Krishna Nam ei matra jai.
Sadhu Sangha Krishna Nam ei matra jai.
Only we want to
Nur was wir wollen, ist ständig
hear about Krishna
hören über Krishna Nam, Krishna
Sadhu
Katha,
Sangha Krishna Nam.
Sadhu Sangha Krishna Nam.
If you are going to stay with some pasanda, heartless, Mayavadis or those who are heartless, those who have no belief in Krishna.
So wenn du mit den Leuten zusammenkommst, die was keinen Glauben in Krishna und Guru haben,
You will have to.
wenn du mit solchen Leuten zusammen bist, nachher versuch mit den Leuten, mit denen du zusammenleben musst, so versuch du bringst dich selber nur in Probleme, wenn du mit den Leuten verkehrst. Das ist eine große Gefahr.
So anyway, you will have to help them as far as possible. You can help them, but in such a way, such a technique, so that you are not going to get contamination and you are not going to lose your realization, power or bhajan. Be careful about it.
So, da muss man sich immer aufpassen.
So, without the association of Krishna, who can do Krishna?
So ohne der Gemeinschaft von Krishna, wer kann Krishnas Namen chanten?
Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami. It is there already in internet.
Er will den Namen hören von Krishna Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami.
Your heart will melt. You can hear
Der Herz, das schmelzt. Wenn du die Bete hörst von Sridhar Maharaj oder Kirtan bei Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami.
It can change.
So der Herz kann sich durch das
How
verändern.
we are speaking Harinam, that's a genuine Harinam.
So wie die Harinam chanten, das ist wirkliches
To
Chanten.
stay with all, among all, devotees, sadhu sangha Krishna.
Sadhu Sangha Krishna Nam. Solchen Sadhu Sangha, die befinden in den heiligen Namen.
This point is very important. Dry philosophy is not so important. Jagadananda Pandit speaking, यदि असाधु संगे भाई हरिनाम नहीं होय, असाधु संगे भाई हरिनाम नहीं होय, नामाक्षर बाहिराय बटे नाम को गुण होय. What speaking Jagadananda? Jagadananda speaking, जे असाधु संगे with the association of असाधु, those who are not sadhu,
So mit der Gemeinschaft
we can
von
never chant Harinam purely.
Leuten, die was
संगे भाई हरिनाम नहीं
Asadhu Sangha sozusagen, also dann in so einer Gemeinschaft kannst du nicht die heiligen Namen chanten.
like Harinam.
Es ist so wie der heilige Name, es ist vielleicht das Aussprechen vom heiligen Namen Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. Aber in Wirklichkeit denkst du nach, wie mehr und mehr Geld machst.
Decoration. Our mala is one kind of decoration.
So, für die meisten ist die Mala Dekoration. Oh, dann wissen sie, das ist ein Devotee.
Not even one mala not doing. Not even one mala. What to speak? One mala. Busy material. Oh Maharaj, so big seva. In front of those foolish people, they can project themselves. I already told, in the assembly of jackal, only
So, in der Gemeinschaft von Chakale kann er nur Kameler-Präsident werden. So, in der Gemeinschaft von reinen Devotees kann so eine Person sofort erkannt werden als Abzocker. Aber in der Gemeinschaft von als Chakale und Hunde,
So, असाधु संगे भाई हरिनाम नहीं हुआ. to get entry into Raganuga Bhajan, Ramananda Sambat,
So, um den Eintritt zu kriegen in Raghunaga Bhajan, Roy Ramananda Sambat, Rupa Shiksha und so
the
weiter.
help of Harinam.
Wir brauchen die Hilfe von Harinam.
Raganuga Bhajan is very, very important. So, these 2-3 points I like to clear first, then I can also, normal discussion I can do. Asadhu Sange by Harinam nahi hai. With the association of non-devotees, asadhu, those who are not sadhu, you can never...
So in der Gemeinschaft von
Namakshar only you can...
Nicht-Vaishnavas kannst du wirklich nur die Buchstabenkombination aussprechen. Wenn Madhavendra Puri Bhatt für Hare Krishna sagt, oh, wo bist du? Das ist wirklich der heilige Name.
Then with this Harinam, pronunciation of this Harinam, Krishna himself present in the form of name. Kalikale Nam Rupe Krishna Avatar.
So in dem heiligen Namen ist dann wirklich Krishna selbst vorhanden,
So this way,
anwesend.
we can very easily cut this material bondage. But only the thing is sincerity should be there. If you are at all interested, mixing procedure, you cannot mention, this kind of, bhajan, then what solution? You have to maintain purity all the time.
So jemand muss wirklich wollen in das Bhajan einsteigen. Es ist kein Mix. Du kannst nicht vermixen.
She is not going to help you anyway. Regarding, Bhoga, she is not...
So wenn der Frau nicht eingeweiht ist, dann musst du selber kochen.
Contamination not allowed.
Kontamination ist nicht erlaubt.
Contamination I cannot allow. Anyhow. Because you are, you are going to jump into Krishna Bhajan. No compromise.
So wenn du Krishna Bhajan machen willst, dann kannst du keinen Mix draus machen. Du musst Reinheit einhalten. So das einzigste Wichtige ist Sadhu Sangha Krishna Nam. Das ist die einzigste Medizin. Harinam Sankirtan in der Gemeinschaft von reine Vaishnavas. Wenn es physisch nicht möglich ist, dann durch deren Stimme, mentale Gemeinschaft. So Guru Maharaj ist nicht gestorben, Guru Maharaj ist immer da. So wenn du nicht physisch Kontakt hast, musst du mindestens immer mentalen Kontakt haben. Immer fühlen, dass Gurudev mit dir ist und unter dir ist. Und dann fühlst du dich wirklich schüchtern, irgendwas Falsches zu machen. Du musst das fühlen, dass Gurudev da ist, weil sie dich ständig beobachten und machst ja keinen Fehler. So leicht. Und wenn Karma, Krodha und die Dinge dich stören, nachher sagt Raghunath Das Goswami, du schreist aus nach den Namen von den großen Vaishnavas, oh Bhaktivinoda Thakur, oh Prabhupada, oh Keshav Goswami. Bitte hilf mir, save me, hilf mir. So, du musst so weinen und nach dir schreien, ausrufen den Namen. Dann kriegst du die heilige Hilfe. Mit Sicherheit.
Yesterday I told actually, if somebody going to get the luck to see the beauty of Krishna,
so, wenn jemand die Möglichkeit hat, die Schönheit von Krishna zu sehen,
Prabhupada speaking, if anybody going to get the taste of Ananya Hari Bhajan, Ananya means
so, oder Prabhupada sagt, wenn wirklich einer den Geschmack kriegt, dass er nichts anderes mehr machen will, wie Ananya Bhajan, dann die Leute können einen Benefit haben.
Those who are going to get the taste of Ananya Hari Bhajan, they cannot live. They cannot leave Hari Bhajan, not possible.
So, die, was das einmal kostet haben, die können das nicht mehr aufgeben. Die fühlen sich anzogen.
They cannot leave Hari Bhajan, not possible for them. Because they are Nishchatika Bhakti, their settlement there. They thinking that I cannot do any amount of problem can come in my life. Who is doing Hari Bhajan without any trouble, so that you are crying? Like foolish? Who can do Krishna Bhajan without any trouble?
So wer macht Krishna Bhajan in der Welt ohne Schwierigkeiten?
You can show me?
Gibt's eine Person? Wenn du Krishna Bhajan machst, dann sind seine Schwierigkeiten bestimmt. Das ist ein Muss.
Those who are ghost, material people, they are ghost, almost ghost, because I am not speaking. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami speaking. Pisachi paile jatha mati channa hoy, mayabadda jiveroy seva buddha. They are overpowered by Maya. That's why like ghost. So naturally when Harinam, Harikirtan there, they become very angry. They like to stop it. Because ghosts cannot bear Harinam.
So materielle Leute, das sind wie Geister, so die werden ärgerlich, wenn sie den heiligen Namen hören. Sie fühlen sich dann, dass sie das stoppen müssen. Die fühlen sich nicht komfortabel.
So we are overpowered by this ghost Maya. So
die meisten in der Welt seien beeinflusst, aber überkommen von dem materiellen Geist.
You must be very careful. There is no compromise. Radharani going to do Krishna Bhajan eternally, though it is one kind of lila. All the time Radharani doing seva. And how much problem coming in the life of Radharani?
So viele Probleme kommen in dem Leben von Radharani. So was sind unsere Probleme? Das ist nichts dagegen. Radharani, die geht durch so viele Probleme. So wenn du das Gefühl hast von Ananya Bhajan, dann nichts kann dir aus der Bahn werfen.
Brahma is foolish. Gopi, though I am not speaking, is my guru. But those Gopikas, they are speaking Brahma foolish. I don't know how to create. Creative technology is not fully there with Brahma. It's foolish. How to create? I don't know. Whereas we are going to see Krishna and making two eyes only, well, you can see.
So die Gopis, die verfluchen Brahma, oh, warum hast du uns nur mit den 2 Augen erschaffen oder kreiert? Wir wollen Millionen von Augen haben, Tausende von Augen, um die Schönheit von Krishna zu erblicken.
One king, that king, what name actually, he was sleeping in a cave, I forget. I always speak sometime. So he is going to pray unto lotus feet of Krishna. But you take some benediction, Maharaj, enough of it. I like to get benediction,
So der war König, der wollte Segnung haben.
Karna yuto esame varaha. I want to get billions of years to get the facility.
Der König hat sich auch so ausgedrückt, dass er Tausende von Ohren haben will, um die Harikatha zu hören. Und in der materiellen Welt will wirklich jeder die Harikatha ignorieren.
They are busy with some other things, Actual Harikatha, they don't like to hear because they cannot digest. Long ago, Prabhupada Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they used to speak the scarcity of Harikatha, famine of Harikatha. Harikatha durvikyo. If you are going to make joking, dancing, singing with air organ, orchestra, then they can come because they are acting as pros to attract outside people.
So heutzutage wird so viel Schau draus gemacht aus Hari Bhajan, dass sich die Leute angezogen fühlen durch das und das, Tanz, Musik und so weiter.
Your common sense is not there. Dibbogyan, what to speak about Dibbogyan?
Es ist ganz egal, ob die Leute schon vor 20 Jahren Einweihung genommen haben, aber wenn kein Funken von transzendentalen Wissen in ihnen aufkommt, nachher, was war das für Einweihung?
They have no common sense. Kandogyan. Kandogyan means common sense. They are going to act as Acharya, Guru and this, that, sannyasi. Maharaj, there is no common sense. Kandogyan is not there. Dibbogyan, what form they can get? What form they can get Dibbogyan? Dibbogyan is not available in market. You can go and buy by your money power. Foolish. So actually, those gopikas crying and speaking that we cannot see Krishna properly because there is only two eyes and Muchukundo. Yes, I forget. Muchukundo was there inside cave.
So der Name von dem König war Muchukunda.
Maharaj also going to pray.
Bitte Maharaja, der betet fast auf ähnliche Art und Weise.
Facility to hear the Harikatha all the time. Karana yudha esameva. Those gopikas, they are, in a very craving mood, crying and speaking. Jasyananam makara kundala charu karno vrajad kupol subhagam subila suhasam nityotsavam natatripur disvi pibanto narjo naraschamuditaha kupita nimescho. Jasyananam makara kundala charu karno vrajad kupolo subhagam subila suhasam Nityotsavam no tat tripur drishibhi pibanto narjo narasya mudita kupita nimescho. Nimesh means twinkling of eyes. If they have the chance to see in dream or in, practically when, like Ramanuja is going to take one, foolish devotee in front of, Bharadraj, Prabhu, you show your beautiful figure. He is foolish, attracted by wife, Then, by the request of Ramanujacharya is going to see, so nice. They go faint. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, when Mahaprabhu going to show him his Bhagavad Sarup itself, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Bhagavad Sarup. But when going to
wenn ihm die vierhändige Form zeigt, wenn Bhagavan vor uns erscheint, die normale Seele hat keine Kapazität, dem zu widerstehen. So eine starke transzendentale Energie ist da. Ausstrahlung, so wie eine große Voltanzahl.
When Bhagavan appeared, it could take the power, effulgence coming. So powerful, bonded soul is bonded condition, they have no power to resist it. They faint, they go faint. So those gopikas, they are going to pray.
So die Seele, die normale, die fällt in Ohnmacht.
That, twinkling wise, kupita,
so die Gopis, die verfluchen, das Zwinkern von den Augen.
Follow the usual procedure, twinkling of eyes, and become very angry. Jasyananam makara kundala charu karno vrajad kapol subhagam subila suhasam nityotsavam no tatripur disibhi pibanto naryo narasya muditaha kupita nimesyo. Because it is one kind of impediment in the way of my uninterrupted Krishna darshan. My eye is going to make problem because
so meine Augen, sagen sie, die machen unser Problem. Es ist ein großes Fest, was uns da eröffnet wird, aber unsere Augen können das nicht aufnehmen, zwinkern.
It is big wonder we are going to see, the beautiful lotus mouth of Krishna with makar kundal, ear ring, nose ring, and in flowers decorated whole body, oh, so nice, Chicks are, like, glassy, engaged stone, diamond. And with that there is a very, 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 very nice, a smiling glance. So Gopikas, they are not feeling satisfaction. All the time they become angry. Oh, useless, we cannot,
So die Gopikas, die fühlen sich nicht zufrieden mit dem Zwinkern von den Augen. Sie sind unzufrieden.
There's a big bandara. Big bandara going on. Krishna means bandara.
Krishna bedeutet ein großes Fest.
Getting bandara because of Krishna. You are getting bandara, those material people, they are also getting bandara. They are getting bandara of wine and woman, they are bandara. But directly, indirectly, all coming from Krishna.
So direkt und indirekt kommt alles von Krishna. So unser Bandara ist Harikatha, Krishna Katha. Denen der Bandara ist Fleisch, Wein und Bier.
So this way, yesterday I was discussing something because I am not feeling satisfaction. How to explain? It's inexplicable. So this way you see, Krishna himself gets surprised to see his own feature. He wants to embrace and kiss. So quite natural, all devotees, they can feel attraction.
So natürlich fühlen sich alle Devotees anzogen von Krishna, ganz natürlich.
Quite natural. Because in Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is written, Krishna Madhurjir act sahavik bhav. It is quite natural force of beauty of Krishna. That is the same thing Mahaprabhu wanted to explain in front of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, in front of Sanatana Goswami.
So Mahaprabhu wollte es auch vom Sanatana erklären und vom Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Atmaramascha mune nigranta pirukrame kurvante haitu kim bhaktim idham gunatara hari. Die, was angezogen werden von Krishna.
How, exclusively Mahaprabhu going to explain in 64 different ways in front of Sanatana and 18 ways. Or in 18 different ways in front of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Krishna Madhurjya acts sahavik ball is quite natural force, attraction. The Krishna Adi Naranari Karaji, any man, woman going to see Krishna, they become restless.
Ganz egal, ob das Mann oder Frau ist, die sind alle, die was Krishna sehen, die sind rastlos.
Touch some point so that no misunderstanding can come. Follow what I say. Krishna Madhurya, the excellence of Krishna is such that everybody is going to feel attraction for Krishna, all Naranari. But according to their mood of attraction, they can get treasure. You can remember, the basic thing you should not forget. You should not forget one thing you should memorize all the time.
So eine Aussage musst du immer erinnern.
The Siddhanta Vichara given by
Das Siddhanta Vichara gegeben bei Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Chaitamrita. Atmendra Priti Vancha Taribole Kam Krishnendra Priti Icha Tariprenam.
Follow. When I am going to get something, some smell of self-satisfaction, then it has become calm. Atmendriya Pritibhanja, when I am going to seek how I can get all facility, I am busy with my body, how to get vitamin, mineral, everything, all the time. Too much concentration on material body cannot help me to do bhajan.
So zu große Konzentration auf den Körper kann das nicht erlauben, Bhajan zu machen. Wir machen Yukta Vairagya.
You can buy costly cosmetics, everything. What is use? You are doing Krishna bhajan. Even one single penny you should not waste,
So wir sollen nicht, wir machen Krishna Bhajan, wir können nicht das Geld für die und die Dinge einfach ausgeben.
Don't try to forget this point.
So vergesst ja niemals den Punkt.
If at all any kind of self-satisfaction, smell, not smell of self, then it's gone. And when you are going to search out, find out the total satisfaction you are interested to, to arrange so that you can give total satisfaction to Krishna. Krishnendriya Pratibhanja, then it becomes prema, which is not so easy. I was speaking all about tattva, prema, bhava, all so different, but philosophically you can hear, but if you cannot realize that philosophy is philosophy, if you cannot take into your direct realization, if you are less interested to take great kripa from Sadhguru, because Sadhguru kripa you can get easily by the help of their Bani, Prabhupada speaking. By the help of their Bani Swarup they can get automatically, though you are thousands of miles away from a sadhu.
So
Atmendriya Priti Vancha
Tare Bole Kam.
Come and externally all the same. But when you are searching the total satisfaction of Krishna,
Krishnendriya Priti Ichcha Tare Prem. So, aber wenn du die Sinne von Krishna befriedigen willst, dann ist es Prem.
Anyhow, anything, I told you, it is my request to you all, even if you are sleeping, that also should be for the total satisfaction of Krishna.
So, Schlaf,
Why I am
alles.
going to take rest, 3 or 4 hours? Why I am going to forcefully taking prasadam? I don't like to take, but I will have to take to maintain both. What to do? This way, all your action, all your moving, all your sitting, all your looking,
So all deine Aktivitäten vom Körper sollen alle reguliert sein, so wissenschaftlich, dass es auf jedem Schritt Bhakti ist.
By the mercy of Guru Varga, if I have the chance to discuss all about this Upadeshamrita,
So wenn über die Upadeshamrita, Manashiksha und das alles spricht, dann kann er das alles erklären. Shikshastakam.
Then you can understand why I am speaking. Shikshastak is so high, so high, so high, without the explanation of Rupa Goswami. Upadeshamrita, you know what this Upadeshamrita? What about this Upadesh? Advice? What about? This advice is to understand Shikshastak. Really so.
Upadeshamrita ist schlussendlich da, um die Shikshastakam zu verstehen.
Rupa Goswami was very clever. He knew that foolish people, they are going to
Rupa Goswami war ganz clever, er hat gewusst, dass viele in die falsche Richtung gehen werden. So er muss sie stoppen. Und dann hat er die Schrift zusammengestellt, die Upadeshamrita.
All my speech, what I am speaking, what I am looking, all should be in favor of bhakti. Bhakti anukul matro kajyarasika, bhakti pratikul bhava.
Alles, was man macht, soll mit Krishna Bhakti verbunden sein.
So fine demarcation, Maharaj. So fine demarcation, so accurate demarcation. This side if you come, it's kama. In a bhakti pratikul. This side if you go, it's become bhakti. So you have to learn this technique. You have to learn this technique, not a matter of joke. What is bhakti anukul, what is bhakti pratikul, favorable and against bhakti, all this technology you'll have to learn from Guru Vaishnava. If you are less interested, whole day you are going to use for your own purpose, body, mind and everything on material world.
Den ganzen Tag nur beschäftige ist mit Körper, Geist. Was für Bhajan kann man denn machen?
If you do Krishna Bhajan, then I'm sure that you have that much capacity, yeah? That much you dare? How you dare? How you dare to start Krishna Bhajan? It's not a matter of joke. so accurate, so fine, so excellent, so high. You know, you have to take you up to that level. You think you are educated, you think you are, no, you have power, money, power, everything. No, you cannot. Banshidas Babaji Maharaj, they're like a beggar, staying in a very small bhajan kutir. Nobody can understand.
So Krishna Bhajan ist Kahoni lecken. Wir haben Vamsidas Babaji Maharaj, Gaura Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj. Was haben die für Bhajan gemacht, Tag und Nacht? Aber wir sind beschäftigt mit so vielen materiellen Dingen. Manche sind beschäftigt mit Tantra Mantra.
Somebody busy with Tantra Mantra, I know, but I am not speaking. I know everything. They are chanting mantra, they are not doing Mahamantra. They are doing other mantras.
Es gibt Leute, die chanten nicht das Mahamantra, die chanten andere Mantras, um Leute zu beeinflussen.
To show their power, so that they can keep control. I don't like to speak in detail about that, I know, but they are going to lose everything. And those who are going to stay with them, they will also lose. Tantra mantra, they like to play some separate mantra, not Mahamantra, nothing. They are doing. What mantra is doing? To fulfill their material heart. They like to keep husband into their control, they like to keep wife into their control.
So Leute chanten Mantras, die wollen den Ehemann unter Kontrolle haben, die wollen die Ehefrau unter Kontrolle haben. Das kann ich machen mit solchen Mantras.
So, Atmendiyo Pitivancha Tare Bulikam and Krishnandiyo Pitivancha Dhare Premna. Externally it is almost same, but
so extern schaut es alles gleich aus.
Baba is not same.
Der Vers Atmendiyo Pitivancha Tare Bulikam, Krishnandiyo Pitivancha Tare Premna.
Because calm,
das ist ein großer Unterschied.
material calm, only significance of this calm is to arrange, personal satisfaction and enjoyment.
So wenn du eben auf persönliche Zufriedenheit aus bist, nachher ist das Calm für dich. Aber wenn du dich wirklich um Krishnas Zufriedenheit kümmerst, das ist Prem, Liebe. Du bist immer nur darauf, oder du suchst immer nur das, wie du Krishna mehr und mehr dienen kannst.
Prem Mahabal is very powerful. Even this kind of prema can catch Krishna, arrest Krishna and bring him.
Die Art von Prema, die zieht Krishna wirklich an. Krishna kann dem nicht widerstehen.
Krishna cannot stay. Krishna cannot say, Krishna becomes Chanchal to reach the spot where devotees. About Dhruva Maharaj, you see, Krishna is bound to go.
Zum Beispiel mit Dhruva Maharaj, da war Krishna sofort gekommen und wollte die Devotees sehen.
Loknath, you see, our Narottam Thakur Adi, they are right, Bhaktivinoda, they are eternally Brajavasi. They are writing so many kirtan. And in this Brajadam, they are also singing. In material, there is Brajavasis. We should not sing. So many, they are doing kirtan. But we have, we have to follow our Guru Varga's kirtan is more set for us. We cannot understand. Bhagavan become restless. When devotee crying, going to die, cannot live without Krishna, Krishna going to, break down. Krishna. So running. It's very powerful. Now I like to give one example.
So die Devotees, weil sie wirklich nicht mehr leben können, Krishna, dort läuft Krishna hin, dort wird er unruhig.
Some days before, maybe 10 or 12 days before, I was discussing about the love affair of Kubja. Kubja, hum on her.
Ja, zum Beispiel, da gibt es die Beziehung von Krishna mit Kubja.
By the mercy of Krishna, going to get back his very nice, beautiful figure of a beautiful lady. Now, because Kubja was getting the result of the service given to Krishna Balaram. What the service? Anulepanam, cosmetics. Chandan and scent everything with some anulepan.
So Kubja hat die Aufgabe gehabt, oder sie wollte sie schmücken mit Chandan und so weiter. Und Krishna wollte dann was zurückgeben. Krishna hat sie gefragt, was ist der Wunsch? Und Vrindavan, dort ist kein Wunsch. Die Gopikas haben keine Wünsche. Kubja, der ist von Mathura.
And those Gopikas, they are going to decorate their body, cosmetics, everything they are using. But all for the satisfaction of Krishna.
Die Gopikas, die verwenden jegliche Dekorationen, Kosmetik, alles für die Freude für Krishna.
Nice decoration, everything they are doing, all for the total satisfaction of Krishna. There is no smell of any self-satisfaction.
Da gibt es keinen Hauch von Selbstinteresse. Das ist, warum das Prema ist.
Externally also, Kubja also going to decorate body to enjoy the association of Krishna, who is just like Kama. That's why, there is Rati, different kind of Rati, Samartha Rati, and other Ratis are there, I can touch. Samanjasa, Sadharani,
Samanjasa Rati, Samartha Rati.
Time to time I can discuss.
Es gibt verschiedene Arten von Rati.
This much we will have to do. Kubja not having Samartha Rati.
Kubja hat nicht den
I can
Samartha
discuss all
Rati.
about it. So this way, it is written in Bhagavatam that you like to get the association of Krishna. Krishna is speaking, not now. Now is the not time, appropriate time. I can go to you. And there, when to keep promise, Krishna reaching the house of Kubja, Kubja just
So wenn Krishna kommt zu dem Haus von der Kubja, sie hat sich dann so gefreut, oh, jetzt ist Krishna wirklich gekommen. Aber die Liebe kann man nicht vergleichen mit den Gopikas.
Follow. They want to enjoy the association of Krishna. But Gopikas, the saying is Krishna can get some enjoyment by association. They are always feeling problem. They are thinking Krishna traveling around in forest, barefooted, there is no chapel, nothing. Oh, Krishna going to get pain all the time. There is throne and small stone chips.
Die Gopikas, die denken ständig, wenn sie daheim sind, über Krishna. Oh, der ist jetzt im Wald und was passiert? Man ist barfuß und geht dort über die Steine, über den Waldboden, so die zarten Füße, die können sich verletzen. So sagen, wenn sie die Lotusfüße an ihrer Brust heben, dann fühlen sie, oder zu ihrem Herzen machen. Ist das vielleicht noch zu hart? So denken die Gopikas über das Ganze.
When Krishna going to keep his promise, commitment, going to meet with Kubja, Kubja going to jump from his bed state and going to embrace Krishna.
So Kubja ist aufgestanden und hat den Krishna umarmt.
Tapto kuchayo uru rasahas tatakshor jighanti ananta charunen rujo mrijanti Durbhyam stanantaragatam parirabhya kantam anandamurtim majahat atidhirgatapam. Durbhyam stanantaragatam parirabhya kantam anandamurtim ajahad atidhirgatapam. For a long time, the body of Kubja is burning to get the association of Krishna. Now, like mad, going to embrace Krishna fully, Anandamurti Krishna. But one positive point is that, though it is not good, we cannot compare this kind of love with Gopikas. Their self-interest little bit there, but still, One positive point is that this karma she is going to apply for Krishna. It's positive point. Follow?
So ein positiver Punkt ist dabei, denn weil sie die Karma für Krishna verwendet.
Because after applying cosmetics, everything in Mathura, after removing his bodily defects, because hump was there, and now by the mercy of Krishna she is beautiful lady. He was requesting Krishna, I cannot allow you to go away, and I like to love you, But Krishna speaking, this is not the time. On time I can go. You have to wait. Though it is not expected in our life, but still it is good because Kubja is very lucky because she is going to apply this kind of bhava for Krishna. Kubja going to express, I cannot leave your association.
So Kubja sagt, sie kann nicht die Gemeinschaft aufgeben.
This way, Krishna going to fulfill his heart.
Und Krishna fulfillt ihre Wünsche.
Also you can remember the love of Krishna and love of devotees. Outside people, how they can understand? This is their internal matters, When Sudama Vipro, very, very poor, very, very poor, even not a cloth of, personal cloth is not there, wife also, torn cloth, nothing, no facility there. It is also a keeper of Krishna. All the time with water and tulsi, they are going to serve Krishna. But when by the request of wife, he is going to meet with Krishna in Dwarkadam,
So Sudama, der trifft sich in Dwarka
in the
mit
way he
Krishna.
is thinking, how I am lucky.
Denkt sich auch unterwegs, wie ist vom
How I
Glück
am lucky.
begünstigt.
I am going to see the lotus feet of Krishna.
Wird jetzt bald die Lotusfüße von Krishna sehen. Oh mein Gott, so vom Glück begünstigt
And
ist
how our meeting will be. And
er.
how
Der stellt
Krishna
sich
can
vor,
love me, how I can
wie
embrace
sein
him. All
Treffen
their
ist, wie er ihn
gossiping.
umarmt und so weiter, und wie sie plaudern miteinander.
And there, when reaching that place, Krishna jumping out from the bed state where Rukmini Devi was there, Lakshmi, and going to embrace Sakha, friend. All, Purastri, Dwaraka, there Shatabhrama, Jambavati, Rukmini, everybody. They become mad. How is it possible? It's bigger, nothing there. That's why it is sitting in 10th canto. Perhaps I have done in previous Purushottam Vrata, when I was discussing Bhagavatam by the mercy of Guru Vaishnava. Kimanena kitam punyam avadhutena bhikshuna sriyahinena lok asmin garhitena dhamena cha kim anena kritam punyam avadhutena bhikshuna is bigger. What kind of, sukrit, what kind of activities are done? So Bettler, das Sudama, was für ein Seva hat er gemacht? Aber wie ist vom Glück begünstigt? There is no Sri. There is no money, no beautiful decoration, nothing. It's poor. Sriyahinena loke asmin garhitena adhamena cha. Krishna going to embrace him.
Aber Krishna umarmt den Sudama.
Even going to leave the bed state of Rukmini and
verlässt sogar das Bett von der Rukmini und steht auf.
Oh my friend, come.
Und sagt, oh mein Freund, komm. Das ist die Freundschaft mit Krishna.
We are so foolish, we are going to make friendship with outside people.
Wir sind so dumm, wir machen Verbindungen oder Freundschaften mit Leuten in Rajas, Tamas, Gunas in der materiellen Welt.
Everything with them, but not interested to do with Krishna. How foolish we are. This way, love for Krishna is not a matter of joke. Not a matter of joke. Impossible. So excellent, you know. So you see one or two examples I give. Now, Ramananda speaking, E madhurjamrito sada jai pan kare. Who is lucky to drink the nectarian, beauty of Krishna, name, fame, beauty of
wer
Krishna.
ist so vom Glück begünstigt, dass er
Can
den
never get
ganzen
satisfaction.
Ehre, Ruhm und
Krishna santi nahi,
die Schönheit von
Krishna
Krishnas
bhai
Form
niranta.
trinken kann.
They are going to drink, they are going to drink, they are going to drink, but they are going to increase their trusty attitude. They are not satisfied. This is the excellence of Krishna Prema. The more you can love, the more you can kiss Krishna, embrace Krishna, you like to get, you cannot live. You cannot live. It's impossible. E madhurjamrito sada jai pan kare, Trishna santi nahe, Trishna bare nirantare. Continuously, every fraction of second, they are going to increase their, desire, attraction for Krishna. So naturally they are dissatisfied, and if they are dissatisfied, they become angry. They are going to criticize Brahma. Because they are dissatisfied. Dhayato vishana pungsang sangaste supajayate sangyat kamaha kamat krodo viyate krodhat bhavati sanmohat siddhi vidvamsat buddhinasa punasam. But this is slok, fully I cannot apply it here. Only they can say Dhayato vishana pungsang sangaste supajayate. The more you are going to get the association of Krishna, you are
Desto mehr du Gemeinschaft hast mit Krishna, desto mehr und mehr willst du Gemeinschaft haben mit Krishna. Es ist niemals enden. Du willst immer mehr und mehr.
So fully I cannot apply. Dhayato vishana pungsam sangaste supajayate. Sangyat kama kamat krodo vijate. But I cannot say that krodha. I cannot speak angry. But I can say sweetly, I can use this, apply this word, that they become satisfied. They are going to criticize Brahma. Brahma foolish. Creation technology is not there fully with Brahma. Are going to create. Koti netro nahi dilo, sobe dilo dui. Tahate nimesh Krishna ki dekhibo mui. Very nice. Guru Padma, in old age, used to explain this point and used to laugh. Koti netro nahi, the billions of years, billions of
So
eyes
Tausende von Ohren, Tausende von Augen brauchen wir, um Krishnas Schönheit zu sehen. Aber Brahma hat uns nur 2 Augen gegeben. Und dann macht er sogar nur das, dass er die Augen zwinkern lässt. So was ist das für Weltenarchitekt, der was sowas plant? So alle Teile von Krishna sind so anziehend, wenn du Krishnas Hände, Füße, Augen, Ohren, was auch immer siehst, kommst du nicht mehr weg von der Schönheit.
Those who are going to enjoy Kripa, it's an automatic. It's an automatic. They can get, Kripa. So naturally, those gopikas I already discussed, they are going to criticize Brahma. Brahma is an old man, actually no experience about creation. How foolish he is making this kind of creation. Now actually about so many things, but I have no time to discuss. Follow. Nandanandan Krishna is the original Supreme Law. Ishvara Paramakrishna Satchidananda Vigraha.
Ishvara Paramakrishna Satchidananda Vigraha.
But Devakinandan is Vasudeva.
Das ist der Ursprung. Devakinandan ist Erweiterung. Manchmal mit 2 Händen, manchmal 4 Händen. Je nachdem, was für Zeit und Umstände.
Chakradhari having will also, time to time, going to, apply this will. Sanksho, Vivinnansho, so many tattva, 1 month, nothing. I'm foolish. I'm foolish, so I'm going to discuss with Ramananda how I can complete. This is impossible. So Rupa Goswami Pad Laghu Bhagavante is writing there, Saundarya, Ishwarya, Madhurya, Vaidhavta Vilas, Prajanda Nandani Yaha Adhik Ullas. All beauty, all cleanses, all beauty, Saundarya, excellence, everything. And Vaidhavta means very, very fine intelligence. By the application of which, as according to time and circumstances, going to behave. It's called Vaidhavta. Vaidhavta means is very artistic. Krishna knows. Krishna knowing when to speak what thing, how, which way, representation which way is Vidhavta. Follow. So, Rupa Goswami Pad writing, Vidhavta Madhav Natak, Lalit Madhav, Vidhavta Madhav, is very high philosophy, very, very high.
So Rupa Goswami schreibt Vidhavta Madhav,
Krishna, all the time
Lalit Madhav,
Kirtan, absorbing them. For them, they have the facility to discuss this, by the guidance of Guru Vaishnava, not even, personally.
Die haben die Möglichkeit, was ständig absorbiert sein, Harinam, die können die Dinge hören. Prabhupada wollte nicht einmal öffentlich, dass der Balya Lila diskutiert wird. So strikt war das. Heutzutage hört man sogar das Gayatri Mantra, was ein geheimes Mantra ist, hört man über den Radio. So das kann nur im Kalikal passieren.
So, Saundarya, Lalit Madhav, Vidhavta, so many things. Who is going to read, Maharaj? Ocean, I become mad. When I look, I become mad. Only mercy can help me. No way out. No way out. Brajendanandan Krishna is, excellent. And is Madan Mohan. But is Madan Mohan, this word I can use up to when? But when Radharani is there with Krishna. If Radharani is not there, then Madan Mohan, this word is not applicable at all. Radha Sangi Yada Bhati Tadaiva Madan Mohan. Annatha Vishwa Mohanopi Swayam Madan Mohito. This is the condition. Yesterday I was discussing that in Narayan there is so many qualities, inconceivable Mahashakti and Anantakoti Brahmando, Anantakoti Vishlokum, Jasaika Nisheshito Kala Mathavalambo, Jivanti Lama Viraja Jagadandanatha, Vishwara Mahanasa Iho Yassa Kala Vishesho, Govinda Mahadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami, Jasaika Nisheshito Kala Mathavalambo, Mahavishnu. And the second one I can apply for.
So wäre es vom Brahma Samhita.
I am in a hurry, sometimes making. So, Ananta Brahmanda Vigraha, Ananta infinity Brahmanda, material Brahmanda is there in Narayan. Each trips of here.
So viele Brahmanda sind in der Körper von Narayan, in all die Poren.
And going to give, way out for enemy, for even enemy. Going to give some way out. And also, Atmaram Gayan Akarshan, I already told. If you count 55 different qualities,
So wenn du 55
50
verschiedene
qualities you can find
Qualitäten
in all
findest,
demigods also,
die finde ich in alle Halbgötter und in manche Menschen.
as a predominating factor, sometime in common, and so in Narayan all 5 special qualities. 55 before and 60 total. 5 more, total 60. That is why Mahaprabhu wanted to explain this sloka very, very seriously in front of Sanatana Gosai. Atma ramascha munayo nirgantha piyukrame kurvantya hetukim bhaktim iktam bhuta gunaha hari. It is the excellency of qualities, excellent beauty, all we cannot compare. And in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami is going to write.
Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu schreibt da Rupa Goswami.
Explanation, time was not limited. Rupa Goswami is writing in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, the Saravad Bhuta Chamatkar Lila Kallo Lovaridhi Atulya Madhura Prema Mandito Priya Mandalaha Trijagat Manasakarsi Murali Karakujtaha Ashaman Urdharupa Sri Bhismapita Characharaha. All 14 infinity world, they become
all die Welten,
Sarvat Bhutas
die werden überrascht, Sarva Bhutas,
flowing of Leela, Samudra
bei den
ocean,
Lilas, was wir Ozean.
in ocean of Leela. Sarva Loki Chamatkar Karini, Leela Kallala Samudra. Atula Madhura Prema Mandita. Madhura mane Singar Ras. Singar mane?
Madhura ist das Shringaras,
Singar
der geheime Rasa.
Atullo Premdara Shubhavishishto Prashta Mandali. Krishna, Ananda
Chinmaya Rasa Pravidavidha Bistapire Ebene Sanuka Vilamila.
I already told.
Krishna hat den Vaisa schon gesprochen. Krishna ist umgeben von all seine Gopikas. Priyamandala bedeutet da manchmal Kuhhirten.
And here actually, since it is Madhuras, Atullo Madhuro Prema Mandita, Priya Mandala. So here I cannot apply that, those friends, because Madhur, this word is given, na? So Singar, secret rasa. So Krishna is surrounded by all beautiful gopis, surrounded by.
So Krishna ist umzingelt von all den wunderschönen
So
Gopis.
this word, Singarasa, Atullo Premdara,
Atulla Premdara.
Rasa, a prema of Madhur
Das ist der Rasa von Mathura Prem.
is decorated with all, paraphernalia, total, Gopikas, Gopi
Er ist
Govinda.
umkreist von all den Gopikas.
And Trijagat, Trijagat Manasakarsi Murali Kalapujita, all the time going to play on flutes to attract the whole world.
Und die ganze Zeit spielt auf der Flöte und die ganzen,
all the time playing on the flute.
jeden
And in
zieht er
such a
damit
way
an.
so that whole world can get attracted.
So die ganze Welt ist angezogen. Trijagat
Gita Gan
bei
Kari.
der Flöte, die ganzen 3 Welten sind angezogen.
And there is no parallel. Less than, or in mathematics we used to apply this note, less than equal to or greater than equal to. Less than equal to or greater than equal to. There is one saying, in those who are doing mathematics, they know. Very nice. Asama, that's why in Rupa Goswami Bhagavatam, Ashaman Urdharupo Sri Vishmapita Characharaha. There is no comparison. We cannot compare Krishna with anything, any object, anybody, nothing. Krishna is Krishna, unique. No example. Like when Tulsidas ji going to write the beauty of Ramchandra, when Ramchandra taking birth and going to describe about the beauty of Ramchandra, Tulsidas ji want to, and because in Sanskrit grammar, Upaman Upama Samas. They are going to, going to compare. When going to Evo, like Evo, when a comparison, no? Going to compare, one object going to be compared with another. Upaman, Upama, Samas. Upaman is the object, of my glorification, and with which I will have to seek, I have to search out on suitable object with which I can give compare. We have no comparison, that's why I say Krishna lotus feet, Charan Padma, Mukha Padma, this much. Because we have no example. What we can show? Anything here in this infinity world which you can compare with Krishna's lotus feet? Nothing. So only lotus. We are going to use it. What to do? So when you are going to compare,
wenn du versuchst, die Dinge von der Welt zu vergleichen, wir machen das mit einem Lotus, dass wir sagen, oh, die Lotus, das Krishnas Lotus, aber da ist nichts, mit was man wirklich das vergleichen kann. So wenn Tulsidas die Schönheit erklären will von Ramchandra, dann sagt er vergleicht es mit dem Sonnengott vielleicht. Nein, das ist nicht wirklich. Die Sonne ist zu stechendes Licht. So vielleicht kann ich es vergleichen mit dem Mond. Aber der Mond, der hat so viele Flecken, schwarze Flecken. So. Tulsidas hat sich gedacht, oh, was gibt's, mit was kann ich Ramchandra vergleichen? Er hat nichts gefunden.
Upama, Samas, all the same. Tulsidas ati ananda, ati ananda, ati ananda. Tulsidas ati ananda.
Und dann sagt er nichts anderes als wie Uti Ananda, Tulsidasa, Mukhi Uti Ananda.
I have nothing to compare the beauty of Ramchandra, only I can say Ramchandra is just like
er hat nichts, was er vergleichen kann mit Ramchandra. Er kann sagen, Ramchandra ist wie Ramchandra. Es gibt kein anderes Objekt, das zu vergleichen ist.
All world, infinity world can go mad. There's no parallel.
So Rupa Goswami schreibt beim Bhakti-Rasamrita, dass in der ganzen Welt kann verrückt werden. Es gibt nichts Schöneres als wie Krishna.
Now I am going to touch about character of Krishna as a hero.
Jetzt spricht er ein bisschen über den Charakter von Krishna als ein Hero.
So now I can surely touch because it's Rai Maharshi is going to discuss to Mahaprabhu. So surely contamination cannot take place inside my heart, surely, by the mercy of Nityananda Gauranga Guru Varga. So I like to touch this point. Krishna is the topmost hero. And there is so much categories written there in Ujjal Nirmali. Dhiroddatto, Dhir Lalito,
Dhira Datta, Dhir Lalita, Dhir Prasanta, Dhira Datta. Das sind alles Begriffe.
It's a very internal thing, very sophisticated thing in Rasa Tattva. You cannot understand.
Ganz schwierig zum Verstehen im Rasa Tattva.
Dhiroddatto, see Ramchandra can be compared with Dhiroddatto.
So Ramchandra kann verglichen werden mit Dhira Datta.
Very reserved, Gambhir, and also with very Vinoy, humbleness. And with also having the quality of Kama, excuse, Kama Gun, Karun, always going to show mercy. And Suhit Brata, Suhit means always going to seek the good for others.
So will immer wünscht sich immer das Beste für alle anderen. Ramchandra.
Because nobody, the friend of Dasaratji Maharaj, his name is Jatayu.
Der Freund von Dasharat Maharaj ist Jatayu, ist ein Vogel.
Jatayu. Jatayu wanted to do some seva.
So Jatayu wollte ein Seva machen. Wo Shiva Devi entführt worden ist vom Ravan, dann wollte er kämpfen, aber er war nicht erfolgreich. Und dann ist auf Flügel von ihm abgehackt worden und ist er runtergeflogen. Und hat gewartet auf den Ram. Und hat er ihm gesagt, dass im Ramchandra, dass Sita entführt worden ist. Und Ramchandra war ihm so dankbar.
Jatayu going to give his own life for the sake of this seva. Jatayu wanted to give life.
So Jatayu hat das Leben gegeben für den Seva.
Whereas we are not going to lose even, very, very small interest.
Wir geben nicht das kleinste Interesse auf. Wir denken, es lasst doch die Sampradaya zur Hölle gehen. Wir denken besser nach über unsere eigene Pratishta. Keiner ist interessiert über das Wohl und über den Schutz von der Sampradaya.
It is the arrangement of Maya. So, you see, Ramchandra having these so special qualities like Gambhir, reserve all the time. Humbleness is always there.
Ramchandra ist immer Gambhir, ganz tiefgründig, ganz demütig.
Gurudev asking to Ramchandra when Vishwamitra Muni taking Ram with him, and somewhere in the outside, city or in a very nice garden of that Mithila outside waiting. And Vishwamitra Guruji is speaking, Ram, yes, Gurudev, actually your father coming, Dasaraji Maharaj coming, you like to meet him? Gurudev, as you like. If you think fit, then nothing, you are not speaking anything. Gurudev, as you like. Not going to pass any comment in front of Guru Vaishnava. What kind of humbleness we
Vor
should
Guru
grow.
und Vaishnava soll man so demütig sein. Wir sind so dumm, wir verhalten uns immer falsch. Du denkst, vor Guru und Vaishnava, ich kann ganz leicht einen Fehler machen vor Guru und Vaishnava.
I was making mistake in front of Gurudev. Gurudev speaking, my son, you check up, there is some ant there in my bed. And so, then okay, I am checking up, but I was so foolish to pass this kind of remark. I am speaking, Gurudev, Guru Maharaj, where is ant? No ant there. And Guru Maharaj became very angry to teach me. I can show you where an ant is. Foolish. Then I become very careful how to speak in front of, I can friend this in front of a friend. I should not speak this is Sakshat Nityananda, Bhagavan, Supreme Lord in the form of Gurudev. Foolish number one, he is going to give me this kind of seva. I make mistake. From then I was very careful. And another day, I making mistake. You should learn it actually. One day, I was very, feeling pain inside her. I come.
So eines Tages hat Babaji Maharaj so viel Schmerzen im Herzen gehabt. Oh, in der Gesellschaft ist das und das, die machen das. Und Gurudev ist aber ärgerlich. Er hat gesagt, was für ein Seva hast du gemacht? Du hast nichts gemacht, die machen Seva. Und er war happy, das zu hören. Hast du irgendein Seva gemacht? Die machen alle Seva. Auf die Art und Weise hat ihm Gurudev gelernt, wie du sprichst mit Guru und Vaishnava. Guru und Vaishnava sind Sakshat miteinander. So wie sollst du dich verhalten vor dem? Ramchandra betet zum Jatayu. Oh, du bist der Freund von meinem Vater. Du bist so respektvoll für mich.
Last moment when going to leave body, Ramchandra going to arrange funeral sanskar, funeral sanskar.
So nachher hat er das
You see what luck is there with Jatayu. Sakshat Paratpara Kileshwar
die Beerdigung vorbereitet für einen
act as a son.
Vogel Jatayu,
To arrange everything.
so wie ein Sohn für seinen Vater. Und hat er den Körper in die Arme genommen und hat geweint, der Ramchandra.
Maharaj, if you understand the behavior of Bhagavan, the love of Bhagavan, in infinity period you cannot leave Supreme Lord.
So wenn man wirklich die Liebe versteht von Guru und Vaishnava,
That's why you are busy with material things.
nachher kann man Guru und Vaishnava
If you are going
niemals
to hear
verlassen.
from a pure devotee is like, feeling, surely by this time you would have changed your heart. This way Ramchandra going to shed tears like the rain. It's one kind of abhishek. Pran vihin deho godi mein lekar, taking the dead body of, the Jatayu on lap, going to shed tears like rain. Going to do abhishek. This kind of mercy, tremendous mercy, we can find inside Supreme Lord. And what kind of mercy we can expect with Krishna? I'm just a comparison to Ramchandra going to this kind of, kippa. What we can expect with Krishna? Avatari. So actually, now
So wenn Ramchandra so viel Kippa schon gibt, was ist dann mit Krishna? Wie viel mehr Kippa muss der geben? Der was Avatari ist. So das ist Dhirodatta. Ramchandra ist das Beispiel für Dhirodatta.
Dhir Lalit.
Und dann ist Dhir Lalit.
Dhir Lalit you can find completely in Krishna, nowhere else.
Das findet man nur in Krishna vor.
Vidagdha is very
Vidakta, das
artistic,
bedeutet Expert in Art und
where to speak what, when to do what, all
Kunst,
very
wer was
accurate.
wann und
Their
wo man
etiquette
was
is so
macht.
nice. It's called Vidagdha.
Das nennt sich
Very
Vidakta.
experienced. When to make which humor, Krishna speaking is, speaking such a thing at such a moment that
Er
everybody
weiß
can
genau, wann und
It's
wo
called
er über das und das einen Scherz
This is one
macht.
kind of very,
Nein, dass jeder lachen kann über das.
So, you see, Vidagdha, first, Navataranya, always will
Navataranya,
travel around with the age of 16.
der ist
New
immer in dem
Navataranya.
Alter von 16. Navataranya.
Parihasvishar always is very experienced how to make you laugh.
Und er weiß immer, wie man andere zum Lachen bringt.
Very sarcastic, but very reserved at the same time. Parihasvishara. Also I can give the example of that Dhir Prasanto is Yudhishthir Maharaj Dhir Shanto.
Dhir Shanta, da ist der Devotee zum Beispiel Yudhishthir Maharaj. In jeder Situation.
It means when there is tremendous fighting,
So wenn ein großer Kampf ist,
battle,
ein
still
Krieg,
the brain of Yudhishthir Maharaj
bei
will come
Yudhishthir
and fight. No
Maharaj
excitement, nothing. Yudhishthir, Judhi,
Gedanken sind immer ganz ruhig und ganz still. Yudhishthir, so ist immer ausgeglichen, ganz egal in was für Situation. Aber wenn ein großer Kampf bevorsteht, er ist ganz ruhig, Shanti.
He can bear any amount of torture by anybody. He is always having so much consciousness, vivek, rationality. He can very carefully thinking and be not, always humble attitude. And the fourth is a Dhiroddatta. Dhiroddatta means Oddhato. Very hard move. Bhimsen is the example of Dhiroddatta.
Und Dhirodatta ist das Beispiel für Bhimsen.
After watching some defect in somebody become very angry. Those kind of examples going to give you to give you indication. This is one kind of indication
Es ist
I'm giving. I'm
eine
not going to discuss in detail.
Richtung, die diskutiert jetzt
So
alles
now
mit
you
dem
see,
Detail. Aber er hat ein bisschen ein Licht drauf geworfen.
This Krishna, his thumb is above all.
Diradato.
No. Sarvapuri si Gokul Brajolok Dham, si Goloko Setodvip Vrindavanna. Vrindavan is above. Chintamani
Prakara Satmashu Kalpa Vriksha Laksha Vridesha Sabirabhalayantam. Das ist ein Vers von der Brahma Samhita. Sahasrapatra Kamalam Gokulakshamat Padam.
Is from Ananta.
Das ist auch von der Brahma Samhita. Ananta Amsa.
Sahasrapattam Kamalam. Kamalam is lotus flower.
Sahasrapatra
And
Kamalam.
inside this core there is Vrindavan. Is topmost.
Und in der Mitte von dem Lotus ist Vrindavan.
Inconceivable, we cannot imagine. Chintamani Bhumi,
Chintamani Bhumi,
Kalpavriksha, all trees and no issues in trees. All stone there is Chintamani. Materialized cannot see. You can see just like material world. When you can see by Prem Netra, when you are Premanjala
das kannst du sehen durch die Augen beschmiert mit voller Liebe. Premanjana Churidi Bhakta Vilojanena Santeva Chintakuna Govindame.
Chintamani Bhumi,
Das Transzendentale Vrindavan Chintamani Bhumi.
dekhe tare prapanchesam, Chaitanya Charitamrita. Prem Netra dekhe tar Sarup Prakash, Gop Gopi Sange Jaha Krishner Vilas. This is and there Krishna is there, Rupa Goswami Pad describing that Krishna is there in where Krishna is there in throne, and where in Jogapit. Jogapit there actually Krishna sitting, Rupa Goswami Pad. Rupa Goswami is going to explain. Rupa Goswami is going to explain. Divyat Bindarannu Kalpadramado
Rupa Goswami erklärt, Divyat Vrindarannu Kalpadramado Srimad Ratnakara Simhasanastha Sisirara
Vrindavana Jogapithe Kalpaturu
Vestali
Vane
Viseva
Ratno Mandapo Tahe Ratno Singlasane Govinda Vasyachen Brajandanandan Madhurya Prakasi Karen Jagat Mohan Bam Tasya Radhika Sukhigan Sange Rasadhiko Lila Prabhu Kore Koto Rangi. In Chaitanya Charitamrita it is written. Vrindaranna, there actually. Rupa Goswami was writing, Divyat Bindaranna Kalpadramada Simatnaga Singha Sanasto Sisi Radha Silagovinda Dibbo Peschalipi Sebbamanu Smarami. Adharam Madhuram Badanam Madhuram Nayanam Madhuram Hasitam Madhuram Hidayam Madhuram Gamanam Madhuram Madhuradipate Rakhilam Madhuram Adharam Madhuram Badanam Madhuram Nayanam Madhuram Hasitam Madhuram Hidayam Madhuram Gamanam Madhuram Madhuradipate Rakhilam Madhuram Vancha Kalpataru Sikhe Pasindu Bhavacha Patitanang Pavana Bhavishna Bhyun.